Hi, it's Martin from Eurocar Upgrades. Today we've done an install on a 2008 BMW X5 e70. We have installed a invisible and detachable Westfalia towbar. So at the moment the towbar is attached to the vehicle. As you can see, it's quite easy to detach it. All you need to do is pull the lever and the towbar comes off. So as you can see, without the electrics, you cannot see from the back of the vehicle that it's got a towbar, so it looks nice and neat. If you want to attach the towbar back, all you need to do is just click it in place, like this, and attach your electrics. If you need any towbars for any German European cars, you can visit australiatowbars.com.au. Thanks for watching and bye bye.